Installing Python, open your favorite browser and search download Python 3.10.11, which is I am currently using now. Click on enter, open first link, click on that, scroll to bottom. Here you will see version and operating system, and now you have to choose depending on your operating system. You have to choose installer 32-bit or Windows installer 64-bit. Depending on your operating system bit, choose wisely. In my case, I am using 64-bit, so I am clicking on that. I already downloaded this, so that's why I am not saving. You have to click on save. After that, double click on exe. You will see an installation process. Install it, and finally you will open like this prompt, Python 3.10.11 like this.